Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this beginner's guide to HTML, where we'll take our very first steps into the world of web development together. If you've ever wondered how the web actually works, or if you want to make your very first website, then you've come to the right place. Whether you're just curious or you're ready to build something awesome, this is the perfect starting point. Today, I'm breaking down the basics of HTML, the building blocks of every website out there. So what is HTML? Why is it so important for the web? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language that tells your browser how to display text, images, and other content on a web page. Think of it like the skeleton of a web page. Just like your bones give your body structure, HTML gives structure to everything you see online. It's not a programming language. It's more like a set of instructions that tells your browser what to show and how to show it. HTML doesn't make things move or interact, but it lays the foundation for everything else. Let's talk about the structure. Every website, no matter how simple or complex, starts with the same basic building blocks. Every HTML file starts and ends with something called tags. These tags are the instructions that tell your browser what each part of your page is supposed to be. Tags are those words inside angle brackets like this: less than, HTML, greater than. You'll see these everywhere in HTML. The most important ones you'll use are the and tags. These are the core of every HTML document. The tag wraps your whole page. The tag is like the outer shell, containing everything you want to show on your website. Inside that, the tag is where you keep things like the title of your page or links to styles. The head section is also where you can add metadata, which is information about your page that isn't directly visible to visitors, but helps browsers and search engines understand your site. But what you really see, that's inside the tag. Everything you want your visitors to interact with, text, images, buttons, goes right here. Okay, let's build a super basic page. Don't worry if you've never coded before. Just follow along step by step. First, you open up a text editor. This could be Notepad, VS Code, or even TextEdit. You don't need anything fancy or expensive, just something that lets you type plain text. Now type this out with me. Start with the tag, then add an inside it. In the head, put a tag with the name of your page. In the body, add a headline and a short paragraph. That's it. You've just written your first HTML document. It might look simple, but this is the foundation of every website you'll ever build. Save that file as index.html and open it with your web browser. You'll see your headline and paragraph appear just like magic. Boom! You've just created your first web page. It's a small step, but it's the beginning of something huge. Let's break down what those tags did so you really understand what's happening behind the scenes. The tag, that's your headline. It's the biggest, boldest text on your page, perfect for titles. The tag, that's a paragraph. Use it for any regular text or information you want to share. You can add images, links, lists, and so much more just by learning a few more tags. As you get comfortable, you'll discover how to make your pages more interesting and interactive. HTML is super beginner friendly, and you don't need any fancy tools to get started. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to experiment. Just write, save, and refresh your browser. You'll see your changes instantly, which makes learning really fun and rewarding. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Everyone does it first. Just check your tags, fix any typos, and try again. You'll get better every time you try. Each attempt is a step forward, and soon you'll be building more complex pages with confidence. And that's your first step into the world of web development. From here, you can explore CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity, and so much more. If you want to learn more, hit that subscribe button and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help you on your coding journey, so don't be shy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep practicing and happy coding.